Number 9, describe how the graph of the equation relates to the graph of y equals x squared. And number 9, very similar to number 8, so it's good review. And just like in number 8, the graph of y equals x squared we know is a parabola with a vertex at the origin 0, 0 that opens up. And we've been given a parabola, f of x equals quantity x minus 4 squared plus 3. And so we're asked to describe how the graph of this parabola differs from the graph of this parabola. And to do that, we need to recall what vertical translations are and what horizontal translations are. And these two charts, again, come directly from your textbook, pages 249 through 250. I'm not going to go into specifics about these definitions. I'll let you go ahead and read them. But what we want to do is use this information to understand what's happening to this graph. So let's first talk about horizontal translations. And if you watched video number 8, we talked about how horizontal translations, meaning movement left and right, occur inside the set of parentheses. And that horizontal translations, we really do the opposite of what's happening. For instance, here we've been given x minus 4, so your first instinct may tell you to actually move left on the graph 4 units. But with horizontal translations, we really do the opposite. So we're not going to move 4 units to the left, we're actually moving 4 units to the right. So moving 4 units to the right. All right. And now vertical translations are nice in the sense that they occur based upon the sign that we actually see. So vertical translations happen at the end of the function. And if you see a positive 3, like we have in this case, then we're going to be moving 3 units up. So moving 3 units up. If we had a minus 3, we would say that this graph is moving 3 units down. There's a vertical translation 4 units down. If this inside the set of parentheses was x plus 8, then we could say that the graph is moving 4 units to the left. All right, so again, horizontal translations, you do the opposite of what is indicated. And for vertical translations, you actually do what is indicated based on the sign. And just like before, let's go ahead and visually confirm that what we're saying here is true, that in fact we are moving 4 units to the right and 3 units up. So from your calculator, let's go ahead and take a look at the y equals screen, and we're going to input 2 separate functions. We're going to put y equals x squared into the calculator, so we'll do x squared, and then we're going to input the second graph here, this f of x equals quantity x minus 4 squared plus 3. So we'll do open parentheses, x minus 4 squared plus 3. And we'll go ahead and take a look at this. We'll do a standard zoom. All right, so there is the first graph, y equals x squared. And here's our second graph, f of x equals quantity x minus 4 plus 3. So we're saying, and let's just visually confirm, that our graph moved to the right 4 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And moved up 3 units. So 1, 2, 3. And there we have it. We have now visually confirmed that our graph, our parabola, in fact had these 2 translations, that we had a horizontal translation of 4 units to the right and a vertical translation of 3 units up. So always nice to use technology to confirm what we were able to find analytically. All right, number 9 in the bag. Let's take a look at question number 10. I'll see you there.